This week, parts for the exact width Dado jig are manufactured all across our shop. So let's start with checking out the milling of the aluminum and phenolic body of the tool. These aluminum parts are milled from solid pieces on a state-of-the-art CNC mill. After the milling cycle is complete, the operator checks to make sure the parts are within tolerance. Next, over at the CNC gantry mill, the phenolic is milled out of large sheets. The stainless steel clamping pads are laser cut all the way across the shop. Then cleaned up and passivated. Back at the laser cutter, we're cutting out the Dado stop edge marker. Those parts are eventually bent on a press brake. Then blasted with our proprietary satin finish like our other stainless steel parts. Now over at our lathe department, we're turning the router bushing and knobs. Here you see a brass test part. Finally, we're laser engraving the offset scale with high contrast markings. All across our shop, we're continuing to work on the different parts of the exact width Dado jig. So stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.